Welcome to the end, friend.
Hi Tuggy, and hi everybody, and hi! Oh, my stress. My brain. I have the stress. I swear to God, I'm the most awkward person in the entire universe. And I always think, oh yeah, no, I'm better than this. I'm doing better. I've figured this out. I can have a conversation like a normal fucking human being. And then I ask a person a question in Discord, and they give me a reply that is perfectly reasonable and absolutely the correct reply and is not snarky at all, and I still cry because I'm like, shit, I should have somehow known this thing that they literally just informed me about. Because I am a disaster. That's what I am. I'm a disaster, and that's, you know, where I'm at. Finale, Demon Hunter, Hunter, or Priest. I can't get credit for Priest from Elise, so we're going with Lucia. They want me to play finale cards. Okay. Well, I was thinking Overheal. If I'm supposed to do finales... I think I'm just gonna make a janky dragon deck. With all the finales. Fuck it. I mean, I could do Shadow Word Void. But also, this is just a terrifying card later on in the game. As soon as you start generating a bunch of them... Which you can with the finale, with the specific finale spell. Hogwarts Synchronize. Overpowered as shit. Solo? You joined a new D&D campaign recently without talking to each other about it. All of the players made 80-year-old druids. Is ZZ Top. Hi, Solo. Please tell me that you all have mighty beards. Yes! Beard Patrol!
That's what I'm talking about!
Nice! Thank you so much for the resub! Also, hey! Listen! Love the Pog. I do this, but I know exactly which dragon I'm picking. I always look for a bunch and then I'm just like, oh, I'll just take Alex, because you know you're just gonna take Alex, because Alex is overpowered as shit. Let's go. Excellent. Is any of this good? No. Am I doing it anyway? Yes. Let's go. Is this the worst deck I've ever made? Oh, no, no, no. By far, I've made worse ones. I should do a Legendaries deck. I mean, I'm gonna play this through because I gotta play three Priest games, so we'll see how fast people can destroy me. If I win even once, I'll be surprised.
Stand aside, fiend. It is time to save the world.
I do things my own way.
I just had the funniest idea. Everybody at the table should get each other's numbers so that you can all text on your phone. And when the DM asks what you're doing, you say, we're having a discussion in Druidic. That is for us to know and for you to find out.
I see a vision in the flames. Need a bit more spice over here.
I mean, so long as each of you take a different focus for your druid, you should be fine just having all druids. Like, you have one that's mostly about healing, one that's mostly about tanking, one of them that's mostly about doing DPS. You know, a moonkin, a bear. And a tree. I don't have any way to overload.
Prophecy.
Prophecy!
In the light's name.
Oh, it's first day at school. I was wondering why she had that.
Once upon a time. Prophecy.
You're free to upload them yourself. We never remember to do it. Slash, we get so anxious about doing it that thinking about doing it just makes us fail at doing it so hard. I can't tell you the amount of times we're like, we've just gotta do it. And then we go, well, we should at least do the bare minimum of editing, which always turns into a disaster because no, editing was always a bad choice.
Who here can spell Zinjari? Anybody?
Pick me! Pick me! Plot twist.
Everybody's just going full DPS. Shouldn't one of you heal? All the old men. No!
Really? It's not too heavy.
Our gift of the arcane enlightens us.
We shall endeavor to overcome the anxiety.
Plot twist.
Job's done.
I mean, we have the space to do it now. We didn't used to, which is why one of the reasons why we're like, no, there's no point. Because you can't use. The thing that really irritates me is I should be able to press a button on this side and upload it to YouTube, and I could do that if my VOD was, you know, less than an hour long. Commissions are open for absolutely everything right now, including VTuber models. We have increased our prices slightly, but that's because everything in Canada costs so much more. When I was talking to my cousin about it, he kind of pointed out that maybe stuff should, like, you know, fall into that category. Shit, what do I do?
Need some atmosphere? Ambience.
Crank it up! Lizzie!
You know what? This deserved a Spinal Tap reference, and it got none, and it makes me sad. Because that's literally where the it goes to 11 comes from. Gosh darn it.
What'll wet your whistle?
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm enter the fog.
I do the crime. You do the time. Pick me! Pick me!
And the cycle of life is reborn anew.
I bring the Mega Death.
I'm dreadfully low on cards.
And then I said, what a treasure.
I bring the Mega Death.
Death is not my goal.
I'm drawing dry.
Remember this day, for you are graced with my presence.
6 mana.
Not be a mercy for you.
Very well.
Everybody responds to that pick the same way. You end up trying to play faster for some reason. You don't need to. You don't need to play any faster. Not even a little bit faster. You're alright.
Lucia versus Sir Finley.
Stand aside, fiend. It is time to save the world.
I do things my own way.
It's true, but it basically is a battle cry because anybody who's playing it usually plays it on 5. The thing that sucks is I also have to be careful to only play the stupid thing when I've got cards in my hand that scale in cost. Playing it right away has fucked me before.
Be quick.
What'll wet your whistle?
$11 Taking my meds. Turn 6. Turn 6. I'd have to figure out a turn 7. Then turn 8, turn... That is a pinup.
Need some atmosphere?
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't waste what's left. Storms we chase and leading. Love is all we'll ever
Easier to drop life than start it.
waste what's left. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
We did change the rules. You don't have to post it on the thing anymore. You can just message us.
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm rockin'.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
Secret agent coming through.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, we'll go.
The competition is fierce, isn't it?
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
I mean, yeah, this guy's just gonna kill me. It's okay.
Witness the power of
Far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause we can't stop it from shining. Baby, let the light if you believe it's true. Baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you.
Yeah, it could be one over. Do over? Yeah. I died. They're gonna give me another Alex?
versus Blade.
Oh! I wanted to show you my latest research!
I've never seen anyone so serious about mushrooms.
Oh, I'm low on time. I'll give you an A in field study.
Ah, it's you.
First power word heal wouldn't actually do fucking. Why am I so stupid? Ugh!
Oh, I'm low on time. I'll give you an A in field study.
For you.
Be quick.
We're gonna need more gunpowder.
Once upon a time.
Job done.
In my folly, I have sown chaos.
Intriguing.
Stupid Gnarlex.
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm rocking.
Great! Love that for me. Of all the fucking spells for you to fucking have. 6, 7, 8, 7. Oh, he can't quite kill me yet. Give it time. Yay! Requirements fulfilled. Oh, I still need to play one more finale card. I love that that's still bugged.
Lucia versus Selena.
Go easy on me, Lady Barrow. I'm your top student.
Let's see if you're as good as your grades are.
What a find! And fully intact.
Battle with the Mellow Burning Legion. Heck the Legion. How dare they burn Mellows. That is not hard. Hard eraser. Crunchy. There we go. end. Oh, for fuck's sake.
I am a bearer. We own this school. Ugh, I've had enough.
I didn't play a finale spell. Fuck my life. Ugh.
Hello.
No, we're missing one of the vital mech ones. I don't know which one it is, but there's mechs things that don't work anymore. We're missing things. It's the one that has the stalking cat. It's a cat, and it gives you spare parts. Or something like that. Regardless, I'm just gonna play some fucking Secret Hunter because fuck my life. On to the downfall, my love, if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. So good. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Is it Mech Bear Cat? I don't remember the name of it. I just remember that it's not legal right now, which means there is a whole set of mechs that aren't in the game. It's the same reason why you can't play Mech Mage, even though Mech Mage used to be viable too. Oh no, not Mech Bear Cat. No. It's not that one. There's a hunter card. Hunter mech. Hearthstone.
Like a Hellcat.
It may be Boomsday Project. Okay, so it's it's Boomsday Project. Boomsday Project isn't legal right now. The one I'm talking about is... Trying to find it. Well, Snip Snap is one of them. I don't know. There's a hunter mech from Boomsday Project that was really good. It might have been Sabertooth Leaper. I'm trying to fucking find an old deck that actually shows it. There it is. Spider Bomb. But also Boommaster Flark, and like all the mech Boomsday Project mech cards, those ones need to be legal for Mech Hunter to really be a good thing. Oh, that's okay. I don't receive Discord messages when I'm streaming because Discord blocks them on me. And not blocks them, but like just doesn't let me see them.
Versus Reno.
We're gonna be rich and save the world.
Oh, hey! Are you a new professor?
Oh my god, that's adorable. What? Oh! I never played Wind Waker.
Job's done.
Night night, Chromies. We will get a quote for you whenever William wakes up. Because he's the one who figures that shit out. I'm surprised that wasn't duplicate. I have no idea what cards he's stolen from me. Why did you hit the button for that?
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm rocking.
Well, there, I finally played it. From down to town, from Milan to Simon. That. We'll fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Come, midnight.
The wails of these cavalries chill.
I bring the Megadeth.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
That's okay. What's really funny is I was just literally like, oh, you're talking about how we've gone from A Link to the Past to Ocarina of Time, and then realized, no, that isn't what you're talking about. And I don't mean to be coy about that, but I actually had the exact same feeling at when I was playing Ocarina of Time. It was like, they're never gonna go back to the way that it was. They won't. It'll never be the same again. And I related very hard to what you were saying and then realized that that wasn't what you were saying.
Never give up. Run away.
Yeah, Pokemon's got the same thing going on. It will never go back to, well, you know, the Infinite Fusion way of things, because they've got a formula now. They can follow that formula, and they know they've got a game that people will buy, even if it is buggy as hell. Like, no hate towards Game Freak, but I know it's not entirely their fault. In fact, it's mostly not their fault. For some reason, someone in their infinite wisdom decided to try and start producing Pokemon games super fast, which leads to absolutely not testing them. Yeah. People who don't even work for Nintendo just making dumbass fucking decisions. Knowing that Game Freak's gonna be the one that takes the heat because they're the ones who have the name on the fucking package. It's like, how do you expect anybody to actually make a game not suck and not test it? Because they don't have the time to test it. Well, Scarlet and Violet is just an untested mess of horribleness. But also, a game like that shouldn't have been produced as fast as it was. Yay, we finally did it. Rush? Like, I don't have Rush minions in this deck. I didn't play a Rush minion. I don't have Rush minions. Why a Rush deck? I mean, Sticky Fingers, I guess, is not too bad, but I'm only generating things with 2 cards? I guess I generate something with Mystery Winter, too. Oh, is that why Moon was so janky? Because it just went, that makes perfect sense! That's what was wrong with the fucking game! He played through Moon. And there was something about the cutscenes he really fucking hated. But, yeah, that's what it is. There's imperceptible load times between all of those fucking things, and it makes for an intensely distracting experience. It's true? I guess it's true, because they cost 1 less, but not less than 1. But they all cost 2. So true, Solo. Same here. Like, I don't trust any big companies to make a halfway decent game anymore, because they've proven to themselves that they don't have to, so they've just stopped trying to. And that's pathetic. Like... God damn, I love Banjo-Soar. It's so awful. I mean, there's poorly funded, badly designed indies out there too. But indies that get the same amount of hype that the average Pokemon game does, where people are literally talking about every single aspect of the fucking game, I can trust that the indie game is going to actually not suck, whereas the AAA game is going to probably be a buggy piece of shit the entire time. Kind of a reason why I wasn't even really interested in playing Diablo 4, and aside from I just figure that they're going to turn the entire thing into one giant microtransaction, which remains to be seen, but I still don't trust it. How did you... Fingers? Wait a second. There's a class that's just, I'm a werewolf? Ow, ow? Yes, there is egg. Sussy baka egg. Okay, so it's a druid. Okay. Ha ha ha! Well, yes, exactly. But I want to know how bad it's gonna get before I make a decision on whether I want to play. Because if it's gonna be like the NTX that was in Diablo 3, I'm fine with that. That's fine. If it's gonna be like Poe, I'm fine with that. In fact, I support it. But if it's gonna be like the NTX that's in Diablo Immortal, I'm not interested in that. I am so not interested in that, I'm not even going to purchase the game until I have seen, for a long period of time, that they can be trusted not to do that again. But I don't trust them. And I do believe that they're going to completely disappoint me. They can't help themselves.
This one is potent!
The Citadel stands strong!
My blood for the
I've seen a bunch of my friends playing it. But considering its official launches today, I guess?
Everything changes.
Ooh, bet there's something great inside.
Yeah, that's Diablo Immortal, and that's 99.9% of the reason why I don't trust them not to do the exact same thing again. I don't trust them. They've not given me a reason to trust them, and I don't trust them. The amount of unscrupulous bullshit that they pulled with that game makes me not ever want to touch Diablo again. Which sucks, because I actually really like Diablo 2, and I loved Diablo 3 even when it was awful. I enjoyed playing it. Oh yeah, I'm playing with someone. I should actually, you know, be respectful enough to actually play the game. Let ya. Oh, it's the costume singer. I was like, what is this bullshit that I'm listening to right now?
This one is out. Oh, blow on mine. Good. Snuggle.
You killed my buddy!
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Can't catch me out. Call me
Wow.
time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
This one is out.
I said I'm moving too far. Get to glass.
Frozen, he likes sport, hard, fun, fight.
More than a couple of people going mad, I swear they're rooting hard. Till I might be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants. I said I'm moving too fast, didn't even get a glance. I'm ready to eat up just like I'm seated in a restaurant. If you had swag like mine, you know it's just a we on. Hating because you're on, but shining like neon. Like Kings of Leon.
What adventure are you up to today? Adventure awaits. Adventure awaits.
Yeah.
This one is out.
Shooting, shooting, yeah, shooting shots.
And close enough.
Your souls belong.
Oh, come on. God, I hate Death Knights.
Come, Midnight.
destinies. May your enemies tremble.
Job done. I must return to the field.
Yeah. I forgot that you actually have a sir in your title. How many secrets do you have? A Christmas tree. Wait, a what? A Christmas tree. Christmas tree is an amount of secrets. I'm kind of sad they nerfed ETC. Like, I like these two, but why that? It's fine.
Slade versus Billow.
Professor Slate. What a surprise.
What was it that you're working on again?
Hallelujah. Don't let me drown. Oh, she can't Ticketus this turn. Oh yeah, they made Symphony of Sins cheaper. Instead of making it cost 6 mana, they decided to just fucking destroy the fucking game. Thanks, Blizz.
What'll that yours?
And now she's gonna Ticketus me, because of course she is. Sweet, I got Stocky Pride out of my hand before we could do that. Get fucked, bitch!
Yes, right away.
Teeny tiny Rickroll?
Excuse me, over
So they didn't get a Ticketus. I'm surprised. I just get Ganon.
Yes, right away.
The internationally acclaimed game show, Can Nyx find lethal, or will she fuck it up? What's this? Unfortunately, while I'm casting a lot of spells, absolutely none of them have anything to do with casting spells on creatures. I don't know. I've never seen Mantle of Ignition before. Seems like a rare treasure, though. But regardless, I literally don't have spells that attack other creatures. I mean, it's just like Blizz trying to endlessly give me Mana Storm. They're like, come on. You know you have a deck set up for this, definitely. I mean, aww, fun is over. We're up against Diabla. Oh, go fuck yourself, Diabla.
Oh, hey, are you a new professor?
Oh, I can't keep freezing trap. Wait a second. He's doing attack. He's doing quest 1. He's unaware of Water Boy. Jinx.
Nothing shall remain of this world.
Thank you.
Guess who?
This one is potent.
Job's done.
Sparkle.
That step was your last.
This one is potent. Sparkle.
Sparkle. Are you kidding me right now?
This one is potent.
Who the fuck plays that card?
How surprising.
What?
Come midnight.
This one is potent.
Have a good sleep, potato. That thing sounds like, what's his name? Whitebeard.
Ooh, bet there's something great inside.
Such easy sword.
This one is potent.
I am bullying this poor Diablo.
I could seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight.
How surprising.
Killer,
'Cause I'll
we
bring
kill you mine. Bitter.
Slither forth, my brethren.
Call me killer.
Savor this moment.
Don't fight it away. I just made a Diablo rage quit.
trying to ruin my espionage.
Oh, hey! Are you a new professor?
I love how he doesn't even assume a new student, but a new professor. Chaos theory is always a valid choice. When I want to cause maximum harm, that's what we do.
This one is potent!
Volcano! And if your question is, will you ever get sick of casting Volcano on this map? Answer is, Volcano is always valid. As a response to this game.
This one is potent!
You can call me killer, 'cause I'll bring you to life. And it might taste bitter when you're answering to God. You can call me killer. My mom didn't want me! Nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. Won't get
Ooh, that's a nice 3 cost.
Such big teeth I have.
This one is potent!
The better to eat you with.
Oh, that was rude.
Run away.
This one is potent! Job done.
I literally have someone in the back of my head yelling over and over again that me drawing while playing is disrespectful, and I'm just like, what? How? They don't have to know that I'm doing something else. Sometimes I fold laundry while playing Hearthstone. You know? Hell, they could be playing it.
This one is potent!
I mean, I don't really want to. Oh, I suppose she isn't undead in this, is she? To me, Lillian is Forsaken. She's not alive per se. She's more not alive at all. She kind of did. But this is before she became undead.
This one is potent. Snuggle.
Yeah, this match is beneath me. I mean, as a rogue, I don't have any respect for Lillian anyway. She's just an annoying Mary Sue. That's not true, actually. I actually really like her story. And I hate her dad. And I kind of want to gank her dad's ass. And I don't actually remember if I got to do that.
This one is potent.
The story of Lillian is that she was the daughter of the leader of the Scarlet Crusade. After the Cataclysm kind of wrecked a bunch of stuff. And her father basically dabbled in necromancy, something the Scarlet Crusade's supposed to be all totally against. They're literally the survivors of the plague that created the Forsaken in the first fucking place. And their whole thing is, we don't accept anybody ruling Lord Aaron except for us. So all these undead guys who are like, hey, yo, we used to live here, cause, you know, alive and stuff. We used to be alive and now we're not, and it's kind of sad, but what you gonna do about it?
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm rocking.
This one is potent.
Job done.
So her dad, who literally is practicing necromancy despite the fact that it's against his orders, like, beliefs, decides he's going to turn his daughter into a killing machine to kill all the Forsaken because fuck the Forsaken. Which he does by turning her into a Forsaken. Because of course, why not? I guess. When you first find her, she's been captured by, the Scarlet Crusade, and they're torturing her for information, which she's refusing to give up. Because, you know, the only thing she wants to do is kill Forsaken. She has no idea that she's undead herself. So you end up trying to, you know, catch her and explain to her in the Undead campaign
I'm almost out of time.
in World of Warcraft that, no, Lillian, you're fucking dead! Your dad betrayed you, you aren't some sort of magical hero, you're literally going to fucking die.
My brand, dope. I've tried my best.
ETC causes so much chaos. So anyways, you eventually put a mirror in front of her because she absolutely refuses to believe that she's undead. And when she sees herself, she goes fucking nuts and starts murdering basically everybody. People on your side, people on the Scarlet Crusade side. She's just mad. And I don't blame her. And you chase her around the undead area while she's murdering civilians and the Scarlet Crusade alike. Trying to calm her the fuck down. And finally you run into her dad, who's like, "You are a filthy abomination, blah blah blah." And she's like, "You did this to me!" And fucking kills him. And it's very satisfying. But they kind of like wrecked her later. Like when you finally run into her again as a max level player, she's kind of like this emo bitch, and I'm like, She was so cool before. Ooh, another Banjosaur. Oh, what the hell? Random Murloc in my deck, it's fine. Oh yeah, the lamest part of her story is during Battle for Azeroth, which is really hard to say because I usually just call it BFA, but during Battle for Azeroth, she runs into someone who's recently become Forsaken, and his story is really funny too, because he's just sort of like, it's just a skin condition, it'll get better. She's like, bitch, no, you're fucking dead. I'm sorry to inform you this way, but this is permanent, and also, yeah. But then she goes off about how, you know, I tried so hard to I had to come to terms with it. I'm like, you murdered your dad, okay? Trying to come to terms with it is not the same fucking thing, okay? We are about to get Waterboyed. Yes, we are. I'm at 4 wins on this slate deck, so he's probably got multiple copies of Waterboy.
This one is potent.
He's not casting anything. Is he literally just gonna sit there until turn 6? Diabla, you haven't done shit. He has Deathly Death too. Fuck. I mean, I'll lose a Deadly Shot. He punched himself in the head! Fuck you, Diablo! I'm gonna die!
This one is potent.
I mean, he's gonna hit me so hard when he hits turn 6.
You can't stop the music. Not while Job done.
What are you gonna do, Diablo? You got something that's cost
one is potent.
I hope so. I mean, he can press the button now. Did he not have another undead? Ah! Oh, well played. How do I kill it?
Blow on time. This one is potent. Oh, blow on time.
Just an Ozumat? Alrighty. Good luck.
Yes, Master?
Oh dear.
Oh, blow on time. This one is potent.
You can just message it to me. Oh, that was certainly a choice.
The better to eat you with.
Processing.
Bye bye, Diablo! Yeah, clipping is encouraged. We just don't do the linkies, cause bad shit has happened in the past. And not just like, oh, they showed me porn. Oh no. It was not okay. And I was like, why did you think that would be okay to share? And there's like, well, you know, you're interested in this sort of thing. Like, no, I'm not. Nope. Never again. What do we got? Costume singer again. Oh look, it's the thing that's for hunters and not for death knights.
Jack it up.
Oh. God, I hope it's the same fucking Diablo. Oh, is it even the same fucking Diablo?
Oh, hey! Are you a new professor?
Hey, Blizz. You think this might be a toxic work environment? Where I'm literally facing Diablo. The last three guys have been Diablos. Just because I handed their asses to them does not mean that they're not annoying pieces of shit, okay? Sporkle.
one is potent.
Wanna see the voodoo I do?
Oh, great. And to turn shit.
Don't be shy.
This one is potent. This one is potent.
What's this? Oh. You'd actually need to cast a fucking minion. Doesn't look like he actually does minions. Oh, fine. Wait, which one was that? Oh, it's emergency maneuvers. No! It's a naughty Diablo! Yeah.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But
Here I am.
'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to
This one is potent.
Fucking Uber Diablo motherfucker.
You can't stop the future. Not while I'm knocking.
Is this gonna backfire? Oh, probably. But I honest to fuck don't care. Yeah, he's still gonna take 8 damage though. Like, suck my nuts. Take 8 damage. What are my bees?
Master?
This one is potent!
I wish Banjo-Star had charge and not rush.
Armor! Armor! Lightly used armor!
Processing.
This one is potent!
Hop on. She won't bite.
This one is potent!
Fuck. Forgot to play Wandering Monster.
Our gift of the arcane enlightens us. Our gift of frost shields us.
Well, I guess I'm Banjo-Starring your ass again, you stupid bitch.
This one is potent!
Job done.
Stupid Uber Apocalypse making my minions take extra damage.
Powers us.
Oh, I don't want to watch this entire animation. Diablo is very fair and balanced. That's true. We got a funny clip out of the other Diablo. Nice deck, loser.
Slade versus Diablo.
Oh yay, another fucking Diablo.
Oh, hey! Are you a new professor?
I mean, he's probably shocked to see a fucking hunter up here too. Don't worry, I eat Diablos like you for breakfast. Oh, but he's probably gonna do the same stupid thing the other fucking one did. Boring. Wow.
This one is potent!
Ooh, Journey to the East. Thanks, Blizz. Super awesome you gave that card to fucking Diablo players. You gotta love that. I can't even play Explosive Trap. Because it literally gives him more damage. To be honest, I probably would if I cared enough about duels to do it. Because it's the only viable character that's gonna take you to 12 anymore. Why? Because eventually you're gonna end up running into a fucking Diablo. And you're gonna die.
Here, God. I smell an ambush.
This one is potent.
Job's done.
I mean, it was just like that day that Groovy Cat was legal. And everybody was playing Drekthar. You could not play, there was no other characters that were available to play against. Like, you were playing against Drekthar. Everybody played Groovy Cat.
This one is potent.
Circle round. You are defenders of a doom.
Yeah, I know. I'm just helping him do it faster, but there's nothing I can do other than just do a bunch of damage to him. I don't have other opportunities to, like, deal with this shit. I'm just gonna have to... Yeah, Diablo 4 came out, so they're celebrating by torturing everybody with this shit.
And now, the premiere act! Me!
This one is potent.
You gotta imagine that they had the conversation of, how do we make players feel real dread? Well, why don't we make it so that they can't play minions, and they can't play spells, and... Is that a pirate?
don't have any ink.
Come, Midnight.
You can't stop the music. Not while I'm rocking.
Show me. 'Cause all along I knew I was doing the right thing. Fighting
Such easy sport.
Where was I?
Wow. Rating's getting too high. Fuck it. I'm gonna go place it. I'm gonna go play. So the fact that I probably made that Diablo throw his phone makes me happy. Fuck Diablo. Fuck the fact that I can never get Diablo. Apparently I've played 2,000 Murlocs in my lifetime. Well, since the achievement started. Which was eons ago. But that's a lot of fucking Murlocs. Holy shit. Game be like, Murgle Burgle Gurgle, and I'm like, what? Murgle Burgle Gurgle, what? Not Blizzard giving me Cat and Eudora. I mean, no beast is fine, but I've also just been handed Eudora. Or Muckla. Not that that Muckla didn't hand me my ass earlier today, but seriously. That was the game with the happy Syndragosa, where no one could figure out what she was so happy about. Kept on spamming happy emotes. She was just feeling herself. Digging. I mean, I don't blame him. Patchwork sucks.
Don't tell the others. I'm rooting for you. The battle is really raging out there. one might make all the difference. I'll save these ones for later.
Got a Naga. Yeah, I beat either Naga, so it's fine. That's
Keep up the
interesting.
momentum, friend. Tough battle. Pick yourself back up and turn it around. Great! I can bring in more powerful minions now. She sells seashells.
Well, she had one Quillbore, so did she win anything? She tied and then she lost. She lost to one Naga. Which means she played the baby one. Yeah, her minion's gonna be huge next turn.
I think you can win this thing.
Yep.
I've got some fresh recruits for you. It's good to get some minions in play.
Holding my hat.
Oh yeah, I tell my aunts that I do art and people watch and people pay me to do art and they're like, people pay for that? I'm like, oh.
I think you
Yeah,
can win
they
this
do.
thing.
Yep. Thanks. I'll just be over here, John Squares.
Welcome back. How's it going out there?
Just keep shaking.
Who did this? You're doing great out there. minions really pulled their weight.
Watch out!
Fuck. Yeah, I need to get the Blues Naga. I need to get to tier 4 for that?
I think you can win this thing.
Yeah.
The battle is really raging out there. Great! Let's get some better minions in here. I didn't like that one either. Here's a gold for the trouble.
Yeah, he didn't even play a minion.
You are not out of this yet. You're good at this. Shine like a gem. Note pairs and formal wear.
I'm coming home, Selena. Never be alone, Selena. Didn't get a blues. Didn't get a blues. Sucks to be me. Oh god, it's already 1 in the morning. God. Time flies when you're getting the shit kicked out of you by Diablo.
I think you can win this thing. The battle is really raging out there. Great! Let's get some better minions in here.
Ow. Ow. Wow, I'm at 12 fucking health. Guess I know what's happening this turn.
You can still make a comeback.
Honey, no, Bob. No. There's no comeback for this. There's just me dying. That's how it goes. Couldn't even have killed the brand, huh? I just gotta die miserably, huh? Lovely. Yeah, I got a donut. And one more turn. One more game. That it doesn't suck. Please, Blizz. Give me a hero. I need a hero. It doesn't suck. Is that literally spaghetti Yeah, it is.
Hey, my favorite
Yeah, it
commander
is.
is back. Ready to get started?
Gold in my teeth, gold in my hat.
Have a good battle, friend.
You are the worst battle friend.
The battle is really raging out there.
So's your mom, so's your face.
Keep up the momentum, friend. Any defeat that doesn't destroy you makes you strong.
This is a no-fly zone.
I think you can win this thing. I've got some fresh recruits for you. I think you can win this thing. You're good at this. Good to get some minions in play.
Here.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
You're doing great out there.
You should grow feathers and see this too.
Oh, it's okay. We all hit some bumps now and then.
Tear this place apart! Watch out! I'm moving here.
Go ahead and hire one of these recruits.
When you want to get off that darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
From a bird's eye view.
You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight.
I think you can win this thing. Nice work out there. Keep up the pressure. A good tactical choice.
Shines like a gem. Shines like a gem.
Keep up the momentum, friend.
Worked out better than I thought it would. Now that's some fucking blood gems.
Your minions really pulled their weight.
So I need one of these fucking things. Yep.
I think you can win this thing. It's okay. We all hit some bumps now and then.
He's playing beasts. Undead mixed in. Beasts, pirates, beasts. It's just me. Beasts, beasts, pirates. Nobody's.
I'll catch you next.
That's what I would have picked. You're doing great.
Oh, I should
out there.
freeze. Fuck. fighting. Kryptonite desire, set my heart on fire.
Oh ho! You're moving up in the world. A good tactical choice.
Set my heart on fire.
You didn't make the cut.
Fuck.
Tear this place apart!
I do.
Note pairs and formal wear.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. Your skin, temptation within, ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This
Bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
You're doing great out there.
Set my heart on fire. Set my heart on
The battle is really raging out there.
Set my heart on fire. I didn't think we could fall in love. Broken from the start, chained to our backs. We had closed hearts. We are breaking free.
You're doing great out there. Your minions really pulled their weight.
Did you just quit?
Wanna see the voodoo I do?
Hey, I'll take top 4. It ain't going well, but it's doing its thing.
Hydrate, you bastard! Hydrate!
Ooh, hydrating.
You're doing great out there.
Liquid.
Welcome back. How's it going out there?
Am I dead? Almost. Hey, Blizz, could you hand me a triple, please? Begging for my sanity here.
Go big or go home, I always say. You're down a minion and up a goal.
Blood gems? What blood gems? Tear this place apart!
Oh fuck!
I think you can
No!
win this thing.
Why? It's fine. A win is a win, even if it's kind of crappy how you won. Look at this beautiful boy. There's still some shit that needs tweaking. know it's a little hard to see because all the stripes are the same value. They won't be in the final. You'll be able to tell the difference between the different layers, but got about half done. Too bad. We're gonna hit the save button here. Save. We're gonna hit the music button here, cause oh my god, I can't function if there's no music's playing. Brain literally starts to shut down when there's no heckin' music. Now I know how people in video games feels. They gotta has the music, or else it's clearly that something's bugging. Ooh.
I'm hiding in the blue, safe between the clouds, in the blue.
Let's see who's online.
I can't be found. Was a soldier in the legions, fought against the demons, fought against the monsters made of gold. But they stormed across Arcadia, following the nature, washed away the place I once called home.
Let's go hit up. Oh, he looks like he's ending. That's a shame. Sweet Tea usually streams late, so I don't think he's on a buy screen anyway. Okay, so we're gonna go raid Sweet TV, who's a really cool VTuber. We're going to be back tomorrow morning doing orts and whatnot, all that fun shit soon enough. We'll be working on our merch because it's Merch Mondays. And we may play some more Pokemans, we may do some more spriting. You'll just have to wait and see what happens next. You guys are awesome, we love you so much. Take care of yourselves, and yeah, feel free to spam in Sweet Tea's chat emotes if you like. We do the Gremlin raid. If you're subscribed, you could use the Denbai dance. Gremlin raid. And if not, you can use whatever emotes you like, a dancing emote or something else. Let's give them a good time. I'm going to strive valiantly to not dissociate and actually just download and upload the VOD from this game. So hopefully that works out. We love you guys. You guys take care, and we'll see you later. Have a good night. Bye now.
Between the clouds, in the blue, where I can't be found, I'm hiding in the blue.
Sweet TV, I'm playing with